Hey everyone, welcome back to Fresh Ingredients. Today let's cook spaghetti carbonara. First thing, we need to cook the spaghetti. On boiling water, pour oil and add salt, then add the spaghetti. While we wait, let's prepare the other ingredients. 2 cloves of garlic, chop it very finely. Crack 1 egg, then add 1 egg yolk. Also add 2 tablespoons of parmesan cheese, then stir it until smooth. For garnish, we're going to use fresh oregano and fresh rosemary, then chop it very finely. This is my homemade beef bacon. If you're interested to make your own bacon, you can check my video about cooking bacon up here. Add the sliced bacon on a cold pan. Cook it on low heat until the fat is rendered and the bacon is crispy. Add chopped garlic and cook it until the garlic turns brown like this. The spaghetti is almost done. Move it to the pan and cook it together with the bacon. Pour 1 ladle of pasta water and mix it until it combines with the bacon fat. Give a generous amount of black pepper and a pinch of salt. If it looks too dry, we can add a little bit more of pasta water. Now turn off the heat, then pour the egg mixture. Make sure we shake the pan like this, so the egg don't turn into scrambled eggs. This look done, then ready to serve it. For finishing touch, give more parmesan cheese, black pepper and fresh herbs. And this is it, simple spaghetti carbonara with homemade beef bacon. Please give it a like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you guys!